Yeah, and I think that I agree with you. This is you can't tell from the numbers early on.
Yeah.
I think part of what you have to do is really understand what technology they're bringing to bear. So both from the point of view of how robust is the platform that they're putting together. And so, for example, in Ladder Life's case, they had a couple of things that were very impressive. We led their Series C, which is a little late for us. We were usually A and B, but we really wanted to get into Ladder Life because it was so relevant to our theses. But one of the things that we saw was that, first of all, they were building a very robust platform, which they were essentially building to accommodate sort of multiples of the volume that the largest established players have. So from day one, they were thinking about, how do I build a platform that is capable of scaling? I won't have to recreate the platform.
Yeah.
And then I think that the other thing that was particularly impressive about Ladder was that also from day one, they were very focused on how can we underwrite better. So at the beginning, it was absolutely an MGA, which was getting its capacity from established players, and there was a box that they were allowed to underwrite in. But I think that as they looked at that business, they said, we don't just want to underwrite to the standards that we're being told to. We want to understand our underwriting better, and we want to deliver results which will make the capacity providers say, yes, I would like to provide more, or, and this did end up happening, you did better than we expected, and in fact, you are running at a better rate than some of our other business. Yeah. But I think that part of that is finding new information sources that you can access immediately. And there are advantages from not having a pre-existing stack there. Sure. But finding that information and then just testing the heck out of things so that you are always testing and learning. You're bringing in data. Does this data help us? Does it help us understand better than what else we'd be doing? And I think that those kinds of things are, it's partly about the team that you select in terms of sort of the intellectual and experience runway that you bring together, the amount of brain power, but not just raw brain power, also that practical side. This is Martha Notaras, managing partner at Brewer Lane for the future of insurance.